everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to pin a tweet on Twitter. So for that, open the Twitter application and then you will need to get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in, to pin a tweet on your profile, you tap upon your profile. Pinning a tweet means it's the first one someone will see when they visit your profile. You can choose what to pin by tapping the icon at the top right of the tweet. Tap that, the dotted lines, and you will have this option. And here you tap on pin to profile. This will appear at the top of your profile and replace any previously pinned tweet. Tap that. Now from now onward, this tweet will be the very first thing or the tweet that will be visible to your profile viewer. So this is how you can pin a tweet on Twitter. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.